Alright, language explorers, so let's look at this Wednesday's adjective. Adjective, so industrial. Industrial. So more machine-like. Yeah. To go from like rural and countryside to industrial machines, steam engines, cogs, mechanics, software and beyond. It is an industrial process. That was an industrial town where they made things. Rather than growing things, they made things. We have some industrial factories. Yes. Do you like these industrial inventions? These new industrial inventions. This new industrial technology. This industrial technology is changing the world. Yes. The Industrial Revolution happened a long time ago. Not just any revolution, but the Industrial Revolution. Yes. Soon they will be industrialising the country, as opposed to everything agrarian and countryside. But there'll be factories, machines, electricity running through the country. Yes. We need an industrial economy to go into the 21st century. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, we will soon be more industrialised. We need to be industrialised to have a better country, perhaps. Yeah. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? Industrial. Yes, more machine-like. Yeah. So, can you use industrial in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy by searching English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.